It's gonna cook.
Alright, you ready? Hey you guys, what's up? I'm gonna be teaching you how to make microwavable corn for any kids who want to try and make this stuff in a quick hurry. Well, it's not that very hard, but once you know how to do it, you could easily do it like that. So here's what you do. You easily just peel off the corn husks all the way until there's none on it. It can be kind of frustrating a little bit. Put those over there. Okay. What you do is you take off these little hairs bit by bit so that it'll easily fall off. Oh, gotta get this husk off. Then you take this off. Snap that off. Then what you do is take this, put some water on it, hot water, or cold water, but I prefer hot water. You find a bag, your ordinary plastic bag, any day bag, like Walmart bag or anything, and just wrap it around the corn. And the little handle parts, here you go. You wrap it around, and you put it like that. And what you do is you take it over here, and you put it on the plate. Well, I prefer not to, but either way you can do it.
What is he doing?
You put it on for 3 minutes, and let's go ahead, come over here, and let's get it ready. Alright, I'm gonna wash this off.
Ow, my titty!
Get that ready. The next what you do is butter right here. This is what I definitely prefer. 79 spread, 39% vegetable oil. Take the knife very carefully and easily scoop it onto the bowl or plate. Easily. Also wash your hands before you do this, just to keep it clean. Forgot to add that, but of course I did. And as you're doing it, kind of smash it onto that. Just that. Take your extra butter, put that over to the side, put that there. Then you gotta get some salt. See how you can barely see it, but see it's kind of like it. Then what you do next is you take some salt and just easily sprinkle some on there. Get the butter that you have left over from the last time you smeared it, and then smear it again to where you can actually see the butter and the salt mixing, but you know. The corn should be done almost any time now. Let's just keep on mixing this. And by the way, I'm gonna put all the extra butter near the middle, kind of like this, so that whenever the corn hits it, it'll easily start to warm up and melt faster. A little bit more salt there.
The bear says, "You're cute. I've been dumping my bones here since last week."
You always put that, put some more.
It's not a story. It's a joke. What a joke. You know, just making something up to make it up.
Alright, let's see if it's almost done. as you can see, the butter on it, it's kind of mixed up with the salt. 4, 3, 2, 1, and you can see it's kind of inflated because of all the condensation that's trying to rise up.
If anyone gets in trouble,
And kind of pat that
saying
down a little bit.
split up. We can try more paths at
Grab
once.
it by
It's
the two
fastest
ends.
way through.
That's why I say to wrap
Your way
little
is
handle part over
you can
here.
handle it.
Put this over here.
My job, you say, I'm still in
Kind of unwrap it. Ooh, that golden corn. Doesn't that look yummy? Then what you do is out kind of hot, so even though I have no oven mitts, so just easily put that right there. Pull the bag away. The next, what you do, as I said, I'm gonna roll it onto here. Kind of get some more butter, easily, as I said before, and then just roll it over and over. And just kind of, you know, just make it to where it kind of
She had her arm over you.
mixes into the little cracks of the corn.
Papi. So, Daddy, how do you feel about being a Theo? Are you excited,
Kind of
Daddy?
get some butter right there. Pretty golden too. I mean, it looks pretty good, so it should be good. So
He's making a YouTube video.
no, not this. Then next, once again, you gotta, of course, some more salt. Hey. Alright. Of course, it might be a little bit too much, but luckily, we have a whole ton of butter, so I might be doing this wrong, but since I have 2 adults near me, I'll be safe. And what you do next is you take some butter, a little bit more butter. If you accidentally put too much salt, this is a little bit of extra. Put a little bit where you put too much salt on that certain side, and then just roll it up here. And then what you do is you keep on rolling it, and
I can't do that. That hurt.
it should be done. Look at how good that looks.
Hey, guess what?
Well, we might see you next time, so have a good day.
Yeah.